preparations are in order for the national under-20 athletics team to the just concluded World Championships. 5 medals won, 4 gold and 1 bronze. And of course, coming on the heels of the disappointing returns of the senior team in Paris, Alana Reid and Kerika Hill, and the 2 sprint relay teams beat the rest of the world, with Shania Douglas picking up the 200 meters bronze. Kind of gives us hope that what happened in Paris was a little blip and order will soon be restored. In fairness though, the concerns should remain, as our 5 medals in Peru pale in comparison to the 16 won at the championships before and to the 11 won at the championships before that one. So while we're talking about little pauperized Jamaica competing against the rest of the world with nothing guaranteed or given to us, the fact that we're even having this conversation about the amount and the quality of the medals we are winning, that means Jamaica is still very much relevant. And we know elephant.